Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, May 23rd, 2024. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino with the CDM. Now, we have a lot of activity going on this morning, so let's dive right into it. Well, in our current observations, we have showers and thunderstorms developing throughout the region, with temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 60s over much of the suburbs, upper 60s to lower 70s as you head towards eastern Pennsylvania. Just wanted to show this a little bit of education. We're going to add a little bit of a twist to some of the stuff I had in the premium discussion. So, see this signal right here? This kind of our signal. Okay, if you're new to meteorology and you want to study what the METARs mean here, when you see this signal here, this means thunderstorms. And this, of course, is invisibility. So what we have here is a lot of showers and thunderstorms being reported around the region, capable of heavy downpours, and some of these thunderstorms have become severe, and it's driven by this cold front and low pressure system back here. Taking a look at our WeatherTap radar and surface map, this means we have severe thunderstorm warnings. Not a lot, but a few, and most of them are being driven by strong downburst wind gusts. So what does that all mean? Well, first of all, this is all marching its way to the east. And again, some of these thunderstorms are staying below severe levels, but still capable of producing poor visibility, occasional to frequent lightning, just some nasty conditions just in time for the morning rush hour. But why do we have these severe thunderstorms in the morning when instability isn't that great? Well, let's take a look at some of this because this is just too cool to just keep in the premium video. You see this jet streak here? Okay, this jet streak and this slight divergence in diffluence right here. Let's zoom in on this here. And you see how it's kind of spread out here, the spreading out feature. So this is helping to enhance lifting in the atmosphere, and it's also enhancing the mixing of the winds. So while we're getting this process taking place, it's helping some of these thunderstorms, especially in this area right here, to reach severe levels. Notice here's where we're focusing that jet streak couplet. And here's where we're seeing our severe thunderstorms. Now, that doesn't mean you can't see a severe thunderstorm down towards southern New Jersey, for example, but it's less likely. Why is that the case? Well, you need that enhanced lifting because of what we're seeing here in the skew T. This is from tropicaltidbits.com, a free website. And this is the HRR guidance that just got updated. And you see this signal right here. This would lead to what's called a cap. Okay, so this stops or prevents thunderstorms from developing. But if you add that little bit of lifting involved, then as you can see, the rest of the atmospheric column is unstable. Okay, so when you see this signal, that means instability. The parcel in the atmosphere can steadily rise. So once it rises above this feature right here, game on. So that enhancement here helps to break this cap here and sets up an environment where some of these stronger winds can mix down towards the surface within our thunderstorms, leading to our strong thunderstorms. So I know that there's a lot of plans going on today, graduations and whatnot. For this morning is going to be pretty stormy. Okay, so especially around the New York City and Philadelphia metro. However, after noon, you're going to start to see those showers and thunderstorms back off because we lose our instability and we lose our strong lifting factor. So this all starts to subside. Down towards the Jersey Shore, it's going to be a stormy day for much of the day, I'm sorry to say. Philadelphia and New York City, you'll clear out in the afternoon. So if you're going to a baseball game or anything of that nature, graduation, what have you, you will see improving conditions for this afternoon. And that shows up pretty nicely here on our visible satellite picture. You can see the thunderstorm tops. You see how they're kind of showing that gradient here? So you can see the strong lifting involved here. And you can see the line down here. And then here is our shortwave. Notice the clearing skies behind this. This is what's heading for us this afternoon once this strong shortwave blows through. And we see that very nicely here on the infrared satellite picture. There's our cold cloud tops with our severe thunderstorms. Again, when you have these thunderstorms, they tend to be explosive, and the cloud tops, as they reach up higher in the atmosphere, also expand. So you're seeing that influence taking shape here. But then here is the end of our lifting. Here's our clearing skies. And then this sets up our weather pattern for the rest of the weekend. So let's dive into that. So again, for today, morning showers and thunderstorms, clearing for much of the region, the exception of the southern Jersey Shore, where showers and thunderstorms will linger until about, let's say, 7 p.m. 5 p.m. Now, with that, your high temperatures range from the mid 70s to upper 70s on the immediate coast, including Long Island and Jersey Shore, lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley, and upper 70s to lower 80s over the interior. For tonight into tomorrow morning, variable cloud cover, a few isolated showers, low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s in your suburbs and over the interior, lower to mid 60s in your urban areas. For tomorrow afternoon, as we get ready for a long Memorial Day weekend, some people may have already started that, you're going to have broken to scattered cloud cover. The further north you are, the more you'll see clearing, with the threat for an isolated shower. Not a washout, but just a pesky shower. That's going to be a theme quite a bit through this weekend. Look for high temperatures to range from the lower to mid 80s along the coast and over the interior, mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. Now we move into Saturday. Saturday will feature scattered cloud cover. I can't rule out an isolated shower, let's say down towards Cape May, but for the most part, it looks like a quiet day. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s over the interior and in your suburbs, lower 60s in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s on Long Island, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and lower to mid 80s everywhere else. For Sunday, again, same scenario. Cold front stalled off the coast, variable cloud cover, and isolated showers possible, but again, nothing significant, okay? So if you get a shower, it's going to be very light rainfall. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 50s in your suburbs and lower to mid 60s in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s on Long Island, upper 70s to lower 80s along the rest of the coast, and lower to mid 80s everywhere else. On Memorial Day, this is going to be a little bit tricky because I know we got parades and stuff in the morning. Expect cloudy skies in the morning with low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s. As we move on through the day, the threat for showers will increase with widespread showers and a few embedded thunderstorms by the evening hours. High temperatures will range from the mid 60s to lower 70s on Long Island, lower to mid 70s everywhere else. Periods of heavy rain will continue on through Monday night into Tuesday morning, gradually clearing by the time daybreak comes, with low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s in your suburbs and over the interior, mid to upper 60s in your urban areas. Look for scattered cloud cover. I can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm, let's say around the Poconos and Catskills. Look for high temperatures to range from the lower to mid 70s on Long Island, upper 70s to lower 80s over the interior and along the coast, lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Wednesday, look for scattered cloud cover. Again, can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast and in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. On Thursday, scattered cloud cover with a few isolated showers possible. We may be dealing with a little bit more of a thunderstorm complex over the northern interior, but we still need more data on that. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 40s over the interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s over the interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast, and lower to mid 70s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.